You can pretty much hack your brain with this headband. This thing I'm wearing is called the Muse 2 headband, and it's basically a brain training tool that helps you reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance your meditation practice by tracking your brain activity in real time. I don't know about you, but I deal with anxiety and stress from time to time. I've gotten a lot better, but when life gets too busy, it kicks in again, and I'm pretty sure that's a common struggle for most of us. And that's where Muse 2 comes in. But let me tell you how it works. The Muse 2 is equipped with EEG sensors, the same kind of technology used in medical settings, to detect brain activity, heart rate, breath, and body movement. And what makes it really cool is that it gives you real-time audio feedback through your headphones. For example, during a few kinds of meditation, Muse translates your brain activity into guiding sounds. So if your mind is busy, you'll hear intense rain or wind. And if you're calm and focused, you'll hear birds chirping. And let me tell you, it's so crazy to see your brainwaves in real time. I thought the only way to do this was by going to a doctor, but guess what? It's right here in my hands. When I first tested Muse, I was shocked to see that something as simple as smiling can change my brain waves instantly. Now, the app is very user-friendly and you get instant reports on your meditation sessions showing your calm percentage, distractions, and overall progress. Muse offers different meditation modes based on mind, heart, body, and breath, and Muse also tracks key brain health metrics like the Alpha Peak score and brain recharge score. The Alpha Peak score measures how fast and sharp your brain is working. My average Alpha Peak is 8.9, which is linked to memory, focus, and mental clarity. And since this number can change with age or lifestyle, keeping track of it helps in improving cognitive performance. The Brain Recharge score shows you how well your brain rests and recovers from stress. It tracks alpha brainwave activity, which is tied to relaxation. My average power is 57, showing how efficiently my brain switches between effort and recovery. This score helps me see patterns in my mental energy and find ways to improve focus and reduce stress. Now, here's what I noticed during a few different kinds of meditation practices. I did a mind meditation that uses rain sounds. They get louder when my brain is more active and softer when I'm calmer. It was difficult at first because I kept focusing on the rain instead of my breath, but over time, I think I got better. The heart meditation uses drum beats that speed up or slow down depending on my heart rate. I had the same challenge here, focusing too much on the sounds instead of just relaxing, but once I got used to it, it helped me feel more in control of my stress levels. I also did breath meditation. It felt easier to relax with this one because it guides your breathing. So the more in sync I was with the rhythm, the more birds I heard, which was really nice. The body meditation helps build stillness by rewarding you with birds when you stay completely still. I think this was the easiest meditation for me because I could simply focus on staying relaxed. Muse offers both guided and unguided meditation options, allowing you to choose between structured guidance or independent practice based on what you prefer. And you can also browse sessions by goal, music, time, breath work, focus and performance, stress relief, and support and recovery, making it easy to find the perfect one for what you need. I found this really helpful because the guided sessions provide direction and I felt like I had something to focus on instead of my mind just wandering about something in my to-do list, for example. And a really cool feature is that when Muse senses you're relaxed, you hear birds chirping, like I briefly mentioned earlier. And this is a rewarding way to know you're in the zone. In the app, you can even track how many birds you've earned during your practices. And let me tell you, it was a lot harder for me to earn birds than I thought. And something else that made a big difference for me was practicing in a quiet place with no distractions. This might seem obvious, but even if you live with someone and they're working in the next room, small sounds can be distracting. So it's a big plus if you have noise-canceling headphones to help you stay fully immersed. Talking about comfort, the Muse 2 headband is lightweight and comfortable. It's really flexible, so it doesn't bother me when wearing it at all. It has soft, flexible sensors that gently rest on the forehead and behind the ears, making sure it fits snugly without feeling tight. The band is adjustable, so it works well for different head sizes, and the materials feel high quality. But does it actually work? And the short answer is yes, but it's also really hard. And that's not Muse's fault at all. It's just that our brains are constantly thinking, and the sensors work so well that they immediately detect when your mind starts wandering. There were times when I felt relaxed, but then I'd catch myself thinking about work or my to-do list, and sure enough, the app would confirm it. The best calm results I got was 52%, which means I still have a lot to work on. But that's exactly why I think having this kind of data is so helpful. Without it, I wouldn't know if I was actually improving or not. With Muse, I can see my progress and train my brain just like I would train my body at the gym.
For this calibration, find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Muse is now listening to your brain signals. Relax and let your mind flow naturally.
So if you're into biohacking, meditation, or you just want to reduce stress, Muse 2 is definitely worth checking out. It helps you understand your brain in a way that was never possible before, and it makes meditation more engaging, measurable, and interactive. About price, the Muse 2 is $249, and it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you've ever struggled with meditation or just want to level up your focus and mental well-being, this could be a nice new product to have. If you're interested in it, I've included my affiliate link down below in the description. Also, I would like to give a big shout out to Muse for reaching out and sponsoring today's video. It was so cool to test this device. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.